wire go be like this, oh, and they won't see. Mean that they sometimes, ba, for the roof on our house, now need to go check building. Some wires wey I don change now, see side burn, inside burn to actually see. Side the burn, they melt. But people don't care about their safety. And na wetin dey cause fire outbreak with this. Wetin dey cause fire outbreak with this. You see, people don't care about their safety. See this wire wey you see so now is very, very dangerous. And sometimes you see smell for your roof, but you don't care. You don't really care. Yeah, because of poor wiring. So we just go call teacher make come do their work, and end of the day, the work no go come go well. But for their mind, they are doing work, and because of that cheap money wey they wan pay, to go call am. Meanwhile, if you want to call an electrician, you go to complain and let them wire your house for you, which is very, very important. Don't be going to local people that you know that this one you cannot even do your work very well, and you want him to wire your house. Your house is where you sleep. Every day you sleep inside. Eh? You sleep inside, you eat inside. And if that house, if there's fire outbreak tomorrow now, you say it's a devil work. Now look at what is happening. Are you going to say this one is a devil work? Please and please, call a very good electrician to help you to wire your house. So I'm not just saying you be just be going for one company. You go to better company, a very good company, that if you call them, they will charge you. They will tell you what I want to use in your kitchen, your parlor, in your bedroom. Sorry, apart from your bedroom, your balcony, and any other side of your house. Because of why it's very, very important. You don't be just, and they'll give you a quality wire, because what you'll be using, especially if you are using AC in your house. If you're using AC in your house, you start be wiring your house, and you need quality wire, so it lasts you for years. All those wire that you go use for after 2 years now, you start getting burned. It's very, very dangerous. So please and please, so we have to conscious ourselves in terms of safety. This is we don't joke lives here. So all those things I just mentioned now is the wiring for somebody else, and all those wires just got burned completely. Because before that, they're not using AC. So wherever they bought their AC, and they put it for the light, everything burn completely. So it's very, very dangerous. Please, you understand? And you spend money for your wiring. Don't just wire your house with very cheap amount. Spend your money for wiring your house. Make sure that your house look very, very standard. You understand? Let it be standard. And this is what I want to show you for this video. All right, now, thanks so much. Please do it for safety. You understand? So thanks for watching. I will see you for my next video. Thank you so much.